At this point, you two must have a lot of questions. You do know who I am.
Chucky.
And this is Tiffany.
I believe we've already met, haven't we, sweet face?
So how did you end up like this?
Well, it's a long story.
It sure is.
In fact, if it was a movie, it would take 3 or 4 sequels just to do it justice.
What are you gonna do with us?
Funny you should ask.
These bodies are okay, but they're like apartments that we're just renting. But now, we're moving on up.
Like George and Wheezy.
And we're looking to buy.
And you know what they say about real estate. Location, location, location. Well, you guys are definitely in the right place at the wrong time.
This is a WPA special report. The Jesse and Jade case keeps getting weirder and weirder. Fingerprints discovered at 2 separate crime scenes have been identified as belonging to Charles Lee Ray, the notorious serial killer gunned down in 1988. Now, police confirm that Ray's corpse will be exhumed from a Hackensack, New Jersey cemetery sometime today.
What?
Chucky, the heart of Damballa!
I know!
What do we do? What do we do?
Shut up! Just let me think, okay? First, we gotta get some new wheels. Every cop within 500 miles is looking for this van. We need something inconspicuous.